Hello and welcome to this episode of the Sound Workout. Today we're contrasting or and oi. So the main thing to notice here is that with the or sound, there's no movement with the mouth. You keep the same position as you make this long vowel. That's on the left. On the right, with the oi, you can see that there's quite a large change in the shape of the mouth through this double vowel sound that we're making. So it starts in a rounded shape, the same shape as the or, but then towards the end of the sound we widen the mouth, bring the corners of the mouth back towards the ears. So that sound on the right is oi, oi. And you really should feel that your mouth is moving quite a lot when you make that sound. So let's look at some exercises where we can contrast these sounds. We'll use the listen and repeat method, and we'll do each one 3 times for some good solid practice. So I will read it out and I'll leave a gap for you to repeat what you've heard. Let's have a go. Or, 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 or. Or, 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 or. Or, 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 or. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. And now doubled up. Or, oi, oi. Or, oi, oi. Or, oi, oi. And the other way round. Oi, oi, or, or. Oi, oi, or, or. Oi, oi, or, or. And alternating. Or, oi, or, oi. Or, oi, or, oi. Or, oi, or, oi. And finally, the other way round. Oi, or, oi, or. Oi, or, oi, or. Oi, or, oi, or. Well done. So if you found that difficult, then don't worry, just replay the video, have another go, or check out the links in the description below for other videos that will focus on the or and oi sounds. You might want to check out the playlist. There are lots of other word sound workouts that you can play with. Click to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit like if you found it useful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.